so the first stock that we're breaking down this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. This allows us to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. So this top line, let me zoom out real quick. This top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we came up and got rejected over here, over here, over here, and over here until it finally pushes all the way down here. You can see that we've been bouncing off of this level until we finally broke underneath. So what used to work as support is now working as resistance, and we can check that by zooming in over here. You can see that we're in this clear downward trend, you guys. We're below the trend line. On the RSI, it does show that we're way oversold. Let me check the volume for the pre-market this morning. Currently it's 7:40 a.m. where I'm at. The pre-market is at 114,000, which isn't that high, but it's still a couple hours away from the actual market opening, so we don't have to worry about that. And let's go to where we're in right now. So pre-market, we're at 3% up, and then yesterday we were down 3%, so we're at break even basically. Let me go down to the 1 hour chart so we can see a more clear direction on what's been happening. Okay, so you can see that we broke underneath, we came down and came up, and we tried to create this breakout that we like to see, so that way we can further confirm that buyers are stepping up. We wanted to see this to come up and come back down on top of the support, not break under. So we see that it came up and got rejected and ultimately pulled down lower, creating this new low over here, and continue this downward trend. It is now starting to find a little bit of support at 564. So if we can create a pivot, you guys, if we can create a pivot and start heading back up to the $600 level, this could be a well, after we break the $600 level. So if we can come up and retest this resistance and break past it and come back down and retest on that same area, that could be a great buy opportunity. You just have your stop loss on the underneath the support or resistance, so that being under the $589 level or the $585 level. Those are ideal entries that you could have. Oh, I'm sorry, not entries, stop loss areas. So let me rephrase that. So if we can break past this resistance area, because there's no guarantee that if we do come back up that we'll break it, because this can come back up, retest this resistance and fail and continue its new low, or what we're looking for is for this to break this resistance, to come up, come back down, retest that, have your stop loss on the opposite side, and have your first target maybe around, let me see, probably your first target around the $625 area, and then your second target being back at the highest previous point at the $700 level. Okay, you guys? So I just wanted to make this video really quick and short today, you guys. I'm still sick, but I'm out here performing. So back on the daily, it looks a little bit more different. You can see it's just this huge candlestick trying to create a breakout. So we'll see what happens today, you guys. If we can break past that 600, that'd be really, really good, and we could wait for an entry if we pull back down to that same area. If we don't, let me just say, if we don't, our next level of support would probably be, give me 1 second, you guys. 458. Probably be at the $345 level, you guys. That's a big drop. And somebody in my comment, I think they said 500, but that's not tested. That's not tested more than this over here. Over here, this is tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Or even over here is tested, you know, a little bit more than that. So between 464 and 369 is going to be the next level, but we don't have to worry about that until we get deeper into or if we do break below that area. So I'll do an update on that if we do break down to that level. Okay, other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading. Please like and subscribe. It allows me to create this content every day for you guys, Monday through Friday. Okay.